start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cause I will start to hate, if I ever leave, oh. Make what I carry me, go far away.
Hey guys, so I got something new for my kitchen. I have a lot of blenders in my house. If I'm not mistaken, I have up to 4 to 5 blenders that have gotten bad, and at some point I had to fix them. Like I had to take them. Someone told me that there's a place they can fix blenders, and I did, but it's still not serving me what I actually want. So someone referred me to this. This is a professional blender, and I got it expensive. Like, of course, when I say expensive, at least more pricey than the other blenders I've been getting. So I hope that it is going to serve me, of course, much better than the other blender. So let me just quickly get this unboxing done and see what it is, what is contained in here. All right, first I have the lid, and of course this goes in here. It has 2 cups, the big one and the small one. I think this is for dry meal and of course wet items. It has this. Oops. This is the engine. What trips me about this particular Gemat is that what it's called? Gemat. Yeah, this is the name, Gemat. It is a professional blender. All right, so what trips me about it is the high speed. You know, the blenders I have, when I blend beans or any hard substance, it gets to, in short, I don't get value for the products I currently have. So I don't know, I hope this serves me better. It is high speed. It was tested where I actually got it. I want to go ahead and make use of it right now, so I can, of course, start enjoying my product. I'll get to show you maybe in this video or in another video how I get to use it. Some people want to know, how much did you get this? I bought it for 50,000 naira. Pricey, right? Well, yeah, that's how much I got it. And yeah, it can blend a whole lot of stuff. The feature are high performance food blender, 100% high speed pure motor, wet and dry blender, 6 laser cut, 12 stainless steel cutting blades, unbreakable 2-liter jar. Oh, I love that part, unbreakable. Precision technology, ability to crush ice. Yes, so I can't wait to try out my blender, and I'll be back to give you a review, maybe in this video like I said, or in some other video. Let's go, guys. Please, if you have bought this kind of blender and it is serving you, I would like to know what you think about it. Leave in the comment section and I will be glad to hear from you.
Shorty $1 million, seem like a wild, turning to underground, my love. She say all her friends living la vida loca. Deform you me, my lover, my love. If I did for me, if I did when the boy the hunger, I could die for you, but you say if you no get me near, hide your face, I hide my face. Looking at the map key on my way. Love, you know me, you say make a put one fire, 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 but damn, I put up fire. You know me, you say make a put one fire, 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 but damn, I put up fire. Yeah. Oh no, no. Shukura, kilo kusio. Shuko shaka, mayam shumaka. Can't last every drama, cause I don't need it in your soap opera. Hola, hola, I'm still up. I'm not here to cause wahala. Hello, diva, save your drama. You don't need this in your soap opera. If you're dead for me, when the border hunger, I could die for you, but you say if you don't get money, hide your face. I hide my face, my mouth, I'm not the king. Run my right, all of you know me side for side. I can follow my life for fire. Fire, fire, burn them, I can put up the fire. And no men say if you say make up for one, I'm fire. Fire, fire, burn them, I can put up for fire. Yeah. Oh no, no, no. This boy check, yeah. No.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.